afternoon, children. How do we grow plants? We grow plants with the help of seeds. What do we get from the plants? We get fruits, vegetables and flowers. So you have seen, I think so, some seeds are fallen from the tree and scattered here and there. And when water or rain comes, new plants are grown. So when many plants are grown in that surroundings, they fight for space and water and minerals. It is difficult for them to grow and to get good hair. So the seeds have to be transferred from one place to another, or they have to spread from one place to another. So today I am going to teach a lesson for 7th class, dispersal of seeds. Dispersal of seeds means transfer of seeds from one place to another, or spreading or scattering of seeds from one place to another. Look at the chart here. Dispersal of seeds. Seed dispersal. Seeds are carried from one place to another, so they get suitable condition to grow in spite of fighting for space and food in crowded place to give good yield. They are spread or scattered. This is called dispersal of seeds. So the seeds are spreaded or transferred from one place to another. That is called seed dispersal. Why seed dispersal is done? Seed dispersal is essential. Essential means important for survival of plants. Survival means living. Seeds are of different shapes, size and structures on them that help in dispersal. So see, you have seen, I think so, isn't it, children? Seeds have different shapes, size and structures that help them to transfer from one place to another. Seeds are dispersed by wind, water, birds and animals. So these are some agents. Agents for seed dispersal. Agents of dispersal, name of the seed fruit. By wind. By wind, which seeds are dispersal? Maple and milkweed. By wind, maple and milkweed are dispersed. By water, lotus and coconut. By water, which are dispersed? Lotus and coconut. By birds, sapota, paddy and maize. By man, tomato, rice, sugarcane. By animals, nut. By bursting the fruits, the seeds are exploded. By which plant? Peas and coconut. By some other way, example, wheat varieties. Dispersal through wind. Dispersal through wind. This type of seeds are light in weight. So we will see dispersal through air. This type of seeds are light in weight and hairy. So they carry easily. So they are light in weight and they have air. So they carry easily. When they are light, they can move from one place to another easily. They travel with wind and settle at a suitable place to germinate. So they fall down and they fall in the soil, and from soil, from seed, new plants grow. That is called germinate. In some plants like orchids, seeds are minute with inflate covering. So in orchids, seeds are with full hairy covering. In plants like maple, seeds have wing-like structures. So in maple, they have wing-like structures. Cotton seeds have hairy structures. You have seen in your fields, I think so, children, when you grow cotton plants, cotton has white hair-like structure that help them to move from one place to another. These types of specialized structures present in the seed will be helpful for dispersal by air. So these structures in the seed help them to move from one place to another. Seed dispersal. Today we study about seed dispersal, agents for seed dispersal, and dispersal through wind. Thank you, children.